December, you guys. It's the first week of December. Well, actually, like right now, it's technically the second week of December, but you know what? Who's counting? It is your girl, Nava Rose, and today we will be talking about boobs. Small boobs, to be more exact. But first and foremost, if you jumped onto this video just because you saw the word boobs in the thumbnail or the title and you thought you could get excited, I am very sorry to tell you, but it's not going to be that kind of video. This is going to be a helpful video, an educational video, not really for your enjoyment, so I'm very sorry to disappoint you, but yeah. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing like 3 different segments. So I'm going to be doing perks, styling tips, and outfit ideas, but the main point of this video is to kind of share with you guys and show you how you can slay life, I guess you can say, with small boobs. All the items and outfits featured in today's video is by Nasty Gal from their Nasty Gal holiday collection. So thanks to Nasty Gal for partnering with me on this video. You guys will find all the links to these clothes and you'll be able to purchase them through the links down in the description box. Obviously, society makes people think that having big boobs is like what you need to look beautiful and that it's needed. And I can see why people feel insecure about having smaller boobs, like whether or not you've been bullied in the past or you're from an area where you're kind of judged for the size of chest that you have. I'm here to kind of help you guys and hopefully give you guys more confidence in your body, because if you're like me, I personally don't care to get my boobs surgically done, so might as well flaunt what you have and stunt on all those people that make you feel that small boobs aren't cute, because their negative opinion isn't cute, okay? You guys know that song Small Booties Matter? You know the little booties matter. What is the Just kidding, it's called Lil Booties Matter. But anyways, little boobs matter too, okay? I personally think that everyone is gorgeous the way they are. It's just about like how much confidence they have. You could probably be like the most ugliest person on the world, even though I don't think that there is like the most ugliest person on the world, but they have like insane crazy amount of confidence. They could stun on everyone, you know? There are pros and cons to having small boobs. Like me, I don't have boobs at all. But there are also pros and cons to having big boobs. Like both my sister and my mom have really big boobs. Like each boob is like the size of my head. If you have pretty big boobs, like I'm not gonna lie, a lot of outfits look banging on you, especially like bodycons or ones that are like made for like bigger chested women. However, there are a lot of perks to having small boobs that a lot of other girls don't really have. I'm not gonna lie, at one point in time I was very self-conscious about my boob size and I did want bigger boobs, especially like in my early teens, because guys thought big boobs were hot and that was sexy or whatever, trying to get boys' attention, whatever. But if you want big boobs not for yourself and just for someone else to think that you're hot, or for a guy, then he's not right for you, honey. He might be, but I mean, you're getting surgery for someone else and not for yourself. So you gotta love yourself first. BTS. And with that really long intro, that's how I learned to love my body the way it is. And that's pretty much what I want to share with you guys today. Although, would I want a big butt? Yes, I would very much like a big butt. But I could work on that with squats and going to the gym. Okay, so let's start with the perks of having small boobs. So one of the very first perks that I ever realized was that some outfits look more fashionable versus sexy. For me, I'm always wearing lace bodysuits, lace bralettes, lace this, and this. I will literally go in the lingerie section, get something that is supposed to be worn only for the bed, for the bedroom, making love or whatever, and I will just use it as a top or something and just use it out in public. So for example, this full lace bodysuit, because I don't have boobs, it doesn't make it too sexy and too out there. Just imagine me just having really big boobs. It would look ultra sexy, but because I don't really have boobs and it's kind of like, oh, nice bodysuit, girl. One of my favorite things is that I don't get hit on as much, and that's just like my personal favorite perk. Man, thank goodness. I don't like getting hollered at from your car, from the sidewalk, just hooting and hollering at me. Don't. Fellas, I don't know if it's ever worked for you in the past, but if you think that ladies like it, maybe some do, but majority of girls don't like it and they will just ignore you. So I noticed if I don't want to cover up my chest or anything like that, I don't really get hit on as much, because I think if I had really big boobs and my chest was out and I was wearing like the same exact outfit that I am right now, I probably would get hit on if I walked out. So that is a perk for me. I don't know if it's just me that feels this way, but another perk is that people tend to focus on you more rather than your boobs. So you guys know that Netflix movie, To All the Boys I've Loved Before? The main character, absolutely gorgeous and such a cute actor. However, when she first walked out like with a full body and everything, I was like, man, she got big boobs. And like that was like honestly like the first thing that my eyes were drawn to. And of course it's a compliment to have like a nice chest and all. That's why I say it might just be me, because sometimes I just get really distracted. I'm just like, wow, you have big boobs. Okay, this has to be like my absolute favorite pro to having no boobs, is that you don't have to wear a bra. I freaking hate bras, and I'm pretty sure I've said this multiple times in my other videos. I hate bras. I feel like I'm being punished if I have to wear a bra. I'm like, oh gosh, kind of wear a bra today. I just feel so constrained, and I just like being free, being one with my clothes, you know? And it's great, like I don't have to spend money because I don't have to buy bras or anything like that. You guys probably all know that I use band-aids instead of bras, so today I'm wearing band-aids, the little fabric like flower things that you put on your nipples. Like it could get kind of pricey. Like they sell one pair for $2 and I'm like, whereas you could get a pack of 10 band-aids for only $2. These are the band-aids that I use. I get the extra large fabric ones, and it's cool because it's like a nice nude color. Can you guys even see, like, I'm covering my necklace? So that is literally what I use 99.9% of the time. That 0.1% is when I'm wearing a bra. And it's great for these center cutout pieces because you don't have to worry about a bra being in the middle of your chest, kind of ruining the look. So you could just throw on some band-aids and you could have the whole center keyhole show. And the last perk with having a small chest, I'm sure there's like a ton more perks, but just for the sake of this video, I only picked my favorites. And that is you could wear oversized things. I'm not saying if you have bigger boobs that you can't wear oversized things, but I do notice it's a little bit more flattering if you are flat-chested. So for example, if you guys know me, I literally wear oversized sweaters and hoodies and just like baggy things all the time, and it kind of just like lays. Because I mean, this is flat, so the sweater kind of just goes flat, you know? So I told my mom to wear the same exact sweater that I did, and we're actually like the same height, same weight and everything. When she put it on, she does look a little bit thicker, only because when the sweater lays on her boobs, it kind of goes out and it kind of makes her shape go out as well. So that's why I perk to having no boobs, is that it could just like lay flat and then it doesn't really alter your body shape or anything. Okay, so my favorite part of this whole video is styling tips. So for tips today, I'm not going to be saying like don't wear this, don't wear that. If you guys are wearing this, you're wearing it wrong because you'll look flat. Like that totally rhymed. Am I a rapper now? Or because you know what, at the end of the day, you're gonna be you, you're gonna wear whatever you want and no one's gonna stop you. I don't want to be putting anyone down and saying like you're wearing this wrong, do not wear this, because I feel like that's a little degrading. Like if someone told me, Alexa, don't wear deep V because you have small boobs, I'm gonna be like, your face is a small boob. I like deep V's. Like I'm still gonna wear them because I like them and you can't stop me. So tip number 1 is to accent different parts of your body. So show off your shoulders, show off your waist, show off your hips, and you can do that by wearing crop tops, bralettes, bandeaus, a lot of high-waisted items, off the shoulder tops. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, here are a million photos of me in like bralettes and crop tops, undergarment items that I'm wearing as tops. And if the Nava Rose uniform isn't an oversized t-shirt, then it's definitely a crop top with some high-waisted pants. I wear that combo all the time, and I think it's because since I'm small chested, I really like to show off my waist. So I'll show like this little area and then like wear high-waisted pants, cinches in my waist, and then kind of makes my hips look a little bigger, and that draws more attention to other parts of my body and showing off my figure. For the secret bralette crop top, if I had bigger boobs, it would probably be more of a clubbing or going out outfit, but because I'm pairing it with some jeans, I don't really have big boobs anyways. I could probably wear this in the daytime. It'll just be a little extra, but you know what, it's kind of on brand anyway. So, and if you're not like me wearing bras and crop tops out in public all the time, I do know this is like definitely a Southern California thing, I would definitely suggest cinching in your waist. You could do that by wearing a belt on your waist area. You could totally show off your body and your figure by showing no skin at all. One of my favorite looks for having a small chest is having like a plunging V, or just like a deep V in general, and layering necklaces. I'm all about wearing layered gold necklaces. I'm pretty sure that is like the only jewelry I ever wear. So I love showing them off and I love accenting them by deep V's. If I did have bigger boobs, I would feel more self-conscious because I'm showing off my boobs a little more, but I don't have none, so it's just a chest, you know? And it doesn't even have to be like a super tight V-neck bodysuit. It could be maybe a button-up top, probably unbuttoned like halfway down, and you could show like a deep V that way. And if you're not too confident yet to like really show off your chest, like just like out in the open, then I definitely suggest wearing accents. So you could wear ruffles or big bows in the front, or trim, or cowl necks. So for example, in this cowl neck, the way that the neck drapes, it kind of like billows out, so it gives more texture and more volume to my chest area. Or you can super distract them and wear this super sequence crop top and just be like bam, and just like be all up in their face with the sequence crop top and everything. That's probably what I would do. I'd just be like, look, be distracted by all these sequins and glitter and everything, and don't look at my small chest. And the last styling tip, which has probably been around for like the longest time, if you still want to wear a bra, then definitely try out like the sticky bras, aka chicken cutlet bras, which I like to call them because they look like freaking chicken cutlets. They kind of give you a little bit more padding because they're just like little silicone squishy things. You could also stick them like where your side boob is, and then like when you clip it in the front, it'll just like push everything together and it'll make you look like your chest is a little bigger, and at the same time you're wearing a bra, so you have like that support, you know? So those are all the styling tips and perks. So now I'm going to show you some outfits outfit ideas. So for the first outfit, I'm wearing the polka dot ruffle dress with this white faux fur shag coat and these white sandals. So in this outfit, I'm showing you guys how to use your accents. So I'm showcasing the ruffle accents in the dress, and I guess if you want to also distract people, then just wear something super extra and out there. That's why I'm wearing like a faux fur coat, really extra and extra shaggy, so it's kind of like all over the place. That's kind of like what people's eyes will be drawn to, and be more distracted with how big and fluffy your furry coat is. For the second outfit idea, I really want to showcase how you can wear things oversized and accenting different areas of your body. So I'm wearing an oversized tee, and it kind of just lays on my body pretty nicely, pretty much like as if you were a boy, I guess. To accent my waist though and not look too frumpy is I have this lace-up leather harness, and that really cinches in my waist and it kind of shows off my figure a little bit better. And then I'm throwing another oversized item over top. I still look like a little snake potato ball, but the pro to having no boobs and wearing this oversized snake jacket is that it kind of just lays there and doesn't like configure the shape or my body shape or anything like that. And to finish off this outfit, I'm wearing these lace-up thigh-high boots. And for the last outfit idea, I want to showcase how you guys can wear lingerie or sexy items as tops and how it can be more fashionable versus sexy. And then I also want to show again how you guys can showcase other body parts. I'm wearing this satin crop top, and it doesn't look too sexy because I don't really have anything to show off, and it kind of just lays there, and it shows more of my back and my side without showing any boob crease or anything like that, because I could see how that could be a little scandalous and a little sexy. And then for the bottoms, I'm wearing these high-waisted jeans that aren't really made to be high-waisted, but I just pulled them up anyways. I really want to showcase my little waist area and my hips and my shoulders, so now you guys can see it's more of like a fashionable item versus making it really sexy. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing these white boots because I just felt that it matched pretty well with the jeans. So that is my video for all my perks and like little confident tips on having small boobs. If you guys enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up. I do want to do another one, but for short people, because yes, I have no boobs and I am 5'1". I am short. And the whole point of this video is try not to compare yourself. It just does take a little bit of confidence and time to love the body that you were born with. Just know you are beautiful inside and out and are just as beautiful as the next person. Also, don't get me wrong, I am 100,000% not against surgically getting your boobs done, but if you've gotten them done or if you want to get them done, there's like totally nothing wrong with that. I am all about pro-choice, and just remember, only you knows what you want. So if you feel like you want this done, then go ahead, do it, girl. Just make sure you're doing it for you and only you, and not doing it because your boyfriend really wants you to have big boobs. And my last little blurb of this video is that you don't need big boobs to meet your goals, because just look at Ariana Grande. She doesn't have boobs and she's like one of the biggest girls in the game right now. But anyways, if you guys want to check out the items that were featured in this video, don't forget to check out the links down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys all so much. Happy December, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!